there, quilting friends. It's Carolina Moore, your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber, and we're doing month 7 of the 9-patch block of the month. That is the 2024 block of the month. That is a calendar as well as a pattern for this fun block of the month quilt. If you are new around here and you don't know anything about this, then head down to the description. I will have links there so you can get all caught up, because we'd love to have you join us. For those that are sewing or just watching along, let's get started. So we're going to start with our red and our small white squares, and we're going to cut these small white squares in half on the diagonal. And then we're going to stitch these on the red squares. We did this in block 1, if you remember. It's this unit right here that we're making. And so this is, in this case, our red and then our background, and then we're going to be adding another triangle. So we're going to do the same thing, line it up. That point will stick over. It's supposed to, that's fine. And then we're going to bring this to the sewing machine with the 1/4 inch foot on there. And sew. We're going to go ahead and do this with all of our small red squares. Once we have these on here, we're going to go ahead and press towards the background. And now we're going to add on these other triangle units, just like this. Now we're going to press all these again towards the background. We didn't trim off those dog ears yet, so let's go ahead and do that now. Now we need the other half. So we need to take these larger squares and we're going to cut them in half on the diagonal. Now we have bias edges here, so we are going to be careful as we sew these together because it's bias to bias. And we're going to sew these right sides together. Now we're going to take each one of these and we're going to press it towards the dark. Now we're going to trim off these dog ears, or you could square up these blocks, whatever your personal preference for perfection is. We can lay out our quilt. All right, we're laying out our block. And then sewing this together just like we always have, pairing 2, 2, and 2, and then adding a third. And then we're going to press out, press in, press in, press out, press in, and then sew the rows together. We have our rows. Now we're going to sew our block together and just nest those seams. And now these are going to get pressed in. And that's block 7. Friends, block 7 is all done. We're going to add it to our collection. Leave me a comment. Let me know how this is going for you. If you are making all the blocks, if you're caught up, if you're just watching along and enjoying watching the process of this quilt coming together. If you're new here and need that link to be able to join us because this is such a blast, let me know. Leave that in the comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That way YouTube shows you more videos just like this. And subscribe so you definitely see all the videos in this series. Friends, that's it for today. I have lots more videos for you, but we will pick up this at the 1st of August. How is it going to be the 1st of August? I don't know. we will go ahead and pick up this quilt again the 1st of August. That's it for today, my friends. I will see you right here real soon. Bye for now.